Hi, my name's John. Welcome to another Sunday night nightcap. Tonight's nightcap, I get some more work done on my marine steam engine, installing the little mechanical oil pump, working with little tiny 3mm nuts and bolts again. I hope you find that interesting. I recently mentioned that I've had an upgrade on my plasma table. I cut a couple of silhouettes out, just basically to practice with the settings. I'm going to do a real in-depth video, possibly later this week, showing basically how the tables are made, and the man that actually designed and built a table is going to show how easy it is to use the software. That's coming later on this week. You might notice in one of the bottom corners, it's either that one or that one, has a little YouTube sign. If you click that sign, you automatically become a subscriber to my channel. It doesn't cost you anything, but it helps me. It took us ages to work out how to put the little sign there, so please, if you haven't subscribed, click the little sign. This little block of steel I use for lining up drills, that tap and drill sizes and tap clearance sizes. I've got a 3.4mm drill here, which I'm going to use as a tap and drill for the 4mm. I just want to drill a hole through here, just so I've got a nice guide. A bit of the Martin snot on there, I think. Just take the little burr off the other side, and I'll show you exactly how we're going to use it. That should definitely do the job quite nicely. Right, should be plenty depth in there now. So we've got a nice parallel hole, 4mm tap in there now, then we can do the other one. Bit of a long drawn out affair this has become. Right, and that's going to keep the tap nice and square. We'll now use the tap wrench that I haven't got. Come a little bit tiresome this now. I'm really tempted to put the drill on there. Oh, good, very good. I bolt to make sure it's nice and square, which it certainly looks square there. Yeah, quite happy with that line. We can simply use the thickness of the brass plate as a pilot for this one. And we'll use a hex head bolt for that one. I always have to shorten it down. All the threads on this engine are metric because it was only built for me a year ago. Right, so that's got quite a decent hole in there. I've got something that's a good fit in that slot, so it can nip. I think this can stop on here now. Once it's on, that's it. No need to take it off again, I don't think. Right. It's time for a beer now. We're getting a little bit bored of this. Right. Okay. So that's on there, nice and tight. The 4 holes are in for the little pump. We're just going to shorten some screws for that. And then it's going to be linkage time. Right, so that's fastened on quite nicely. Worked out alright in the end. Now we're going to make it some linkage work. It's going to have to be like a horseshoe type thing, or interesting. I mean, the fact that it goes that way doesn't matter. It's the up and down bit we need. I'm not quite sure what I'm going to do, but I'm going to do something. That's a nice strong bit there. We could drill and tap into there. And a pin across and just a link on it there would probably do the job. I'm not quite sure until I start doing it. I was at a steam rally yesterday, in fact all weekend at Fruitborough, and I had a look at a load of different engines to see how the oil pump to be driven. It's quite simple. All you need is something that moves up and down. So during rig this, it's obviously not going to stop like that. You can see how it is working. I'll bring the camera in a little bit closer so you can see its operation. I've simply got it driven off the end of the Stephenson's link, which is ideal. And I can increase or decrease the stroke by increasing or decreasing the length of that lever down there. But honestly, it looks pretty good at that. The little ratchet's working. I'll bring the camera in so you can see the little ratchet working. It gives exactly the same stroke. Whether the engine is in forward or reverse makes no difference. So it moves up. The little spring loading mechanism locks in. You can't override it. And give it oil by hand just to prime it. That's forward, and that's the engine in reverse. Both sides exactly the same. So that's what we're going to go for. I'm obviously not going to leave it like that. I've got some ideas how I can do it. A piece of rod goes in there with a grub screw in, and that'll be more or less in a straight line. It's just I've got that little split pin hole. It was just to sort of prove that it would work, and it does work quite nicely. So now we need to make some proper fastenings in the proper rod so it works properly or as intended. It's just it's a welding rod actually with the ends ground to fit through the little holes I've already got. I think we could weld on with the little taps and dies again. I don't want to, but it's looking that way. I can make that hole slightly bigger and probably get a 4mm thread in there. An extension piece will go into there. I'm not quite sure what's going to happen up here. I'll probably make a new pin, which will be a little bit longer, out of there somewhere, and it'll be a straight rod going down. It won't have bends in, and it won't have terminal blocks in. Like I say, that's just to sort of show how I can make it work. Next weekend I'll be at Croft Racing Circuit in North Yorkshire. It's the retro weekend, so there'll be lots of old vintage cars. There'll be pretty girls dancing, food, drink. There'll also be quite a collection of steam engines there, traction engines and rollers. I'll be there. When I worked for a local garage, I did a lot of mechanicing on race cars, and I spent quite a bit of time at Croft. So I'm looking forward to going there and possibly meeting some of my old friends. If you're there, come and find us, shake my hand, it'd be great to meet you. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed tonight's videos. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, click subscribe. Thank you.